We've just released Unison version 1.1.0, and there are a few features which warrant a walkthrough. First, the dependence command now works on data constructors and ability request constructors. It used to be that dependence optional.sum would pull up instances of the type, including optional.none, which is cool, but not as granular as you might like. 2. If you're a VS Code user, this version includes support for VS Code options like editing a term from the side panel and opening a term on Unison Share. Be sure to upgrade your VS Code Unison extension if you want to use these features. There's also a few new MCP tools. The one I'm inspecting is Share Project Info for authenticated project info lookups. This tool lets you direct a coding agent to retrieve project information from your remotely hosted projects. A few fixes and quality of life improvements. The old run command used to ignore unquoted numeric arguments. Sorry about that. Now you can enter your numeric arguments without needing the quotes. The run command also prints out a much nicer message if the program name is ambiguous. It used to be that if you had two main functions with the same final name suffix in different namespaces, 1 and 2, you'd get an alarming error prompting you to disambiguate things. Now the messaging is much nicer. Finally, this UCM version updates the codebase database, so you'll see a migration notice when you open the UCM. This is to support syncing branch history comments with Unison Share. Instructions to get the new version are here. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Happy coding!